Hello, today I'm going to talk about shit that I like to talk about. Among Us.
I want Discord.
I'm not giving you Discord. I'm not. I just.
Can you help me?
I can't, bro. I don't fucking know how to download it anymore. I forgot how to download freaking Discord. I remember downloading Discord like a year ago. I was like in the Discord server of a fucking guy who like comments, subscribe to me channel Epic. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's like the person name is like L. I'm not gonna fucking tell you. Yes, yes.
And then you realize that his name is called Long.
Long. No, it's like L, and then the rest is not Long, not Richard Long.
L Long. Long, like
No, not penis long, not penis long. This was like L and then Chris, something like that. L Chris.
Long Chris.
Yeah.
Long Chris.
No.
Long Chris.
Anyways, it was like,
Long Chris.
shut the fuck up. So I joined the fucking these nuts server. I said these nuts. Anyways, I joined the Discord. I joined the. I joined the Discord server, and I met funny Goku man, and that's it. And then I joined and Goku hungry for children. I need young boys. What the fuck?
How Goku eats.
Okay, shut the fuck up. Goku is a fucking dragon. Anyways, I go to what the fuck, dude? Fuck off. I go to another Discord server. It was a Roblox YouTuber server. Very epic. I know. Anyways, I made my own Discord server. It doesn't really matter. My old friend that I, like from a few years ago kept asking me Discord. Discord where? Tell Discord. You're the fuck. Discord name, whatever. Just anything. Just what's your Discord? What's your Discord server? Where's the video that has your Discord link? And then he asked me, shut the fuck up, bro. And then he asked me,
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bro.
shut up. I'm gonna say ooh woo. The very sussy voice and the very sussy baka voice. I fucking hate you.
Sassy little fuck.
Sassy little baka.
Imagine making a TikTok.
Fuck off. I'm going to do it again. I'm gonna moan. I'm gonna make an anime girl moan again.
Dude, imagine this is my phone and then you just do this.
I'm going to beat the shit out of you. You're such a sussy little baka. You know that? Okay, but shut up.
Single anime thing. You're such a sassy little baka.
What the fuck was that laugh? I sound like a dying Mario character. I sound like a fucking Goomba.
Imagine if they actually use that for a thingy, an anime phrase. Imagine they actually use sussy little baka. You're such a little baka, you know that?
Okay. Let me fucking talk. There's a camp. And then he asked, are you gonna get active on funny set? Are you gonna get active on funny Discord server? I said no. I said the rip F lol.
The boom.
The baby. The baby convertible. The baby.
When you do fat calls, wait, what?
What? Wait, when the baby?
When you accidentally say podcast, wait. When you accidentally say fat calls.
Shut the fuck up. You're so unfunny, dude. You're so unfunny. What the fuck?
Oopsie, I broke it.
Oopsie. Senpai.
I like that you just go say,
I like bullying people. I like making moaning sounds and making people very uncomfortable. This is my life. I am actually disappointed on myself, but also very happy. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? You're just reading instructions or something. I don't fucking know. She's just laughing at she has a fucking dyslexia. She has dyslexia. She has dyslexia. Okay, I'm going to repeat myself 10,000 times. Times 10,000 times. Anyways, subscribe to people. Subscribe to Squiddy Scar. Leave a dislike. Die. Goodbye.